How to upload Facebook Reel video on your PC. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can upload Facebook Reels video on your PC. It's super simple, so let's get started. First, you need to open up your browser, and once in the browser, you need to log in to your Facebook. Now that you are logged in the left side you can see the several options, and here you can see the Reels as well. You need to simply go ahead and click on Reel. Now that you are in the Reels section, you can see the option that says Create Reel. You need to simply go ahead and click on Create Reel. Now you need to simply go ahead and select the video that you want to add as a reel. Then you need to click on Next. Next, you need to click on Next again if you don't want to trim the video. Now you can add details about your reel, and once you do that you need to click on Publish. And that's it, you now know how to post Reels on Facebook on your PC. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.